The point is that
You may guess that you need to survive long hours to earn money, but this is not something you have to do all the time. You can earn money every second by earning passive income. Passive income is anything that makes you money even though you are not actively working. For example, if you are a rented house owner, you earn money per second even if you sleep without working. Passive income is like the process a farmer sows a seed in a field. You work for a certain period of time and money starts to flow to you gradually. There are many passive income earning methods that you can start even today. However, not every way of making money from passive income is suitable for you. Your experience and capital level should guide you in this regard. If you sow a good seed, you will get a good harvest. But a warning. Never forget that many websites for passive income ideas have fake ads. Please be wary of ads telling you to get rich without doing anything. If a platform is asking you for money to monetize you, you are most likely under threat. Don't send money to anyone you don't know exactly who you are. Now that we have made our warning, let's examine the 5 most suitable passive income methods that can make you money online. Number 5. Opening a blog or website. It is the most preferred way among passive income sources. You can earn passive income by setting up a free blog or a website for a fee. It is one of the best ways to earn passive income with low costs. Of course, you need to master some technical issues theoretically and practically. Once you've set up a website, you can earn money by answering questions about specific interests and users' needs. Moreover, you can set up a website even in 25 minutes, but of course just setting up will not be enough. You should make interesting posts on your website and attract visitors. For this, it is useful to take advantage of the power of social media. Number 4. Creating an application. Even without sufficient technical knowledge, you can now create an application or purchase an already existing application with certain tools. If you want to make money from applications, you need to have a good idea. An application with a successful idea can provide passive income and make you more income than you can imagine in a short time. The hardest part of creating an app is finding an idea that is successful and that no one has been able to fully implement it. Number 3. To take photo. Yes, it may sound interesting, but now one of the best ways to earn passive income on the internet is to sell photos. As stock photography evolves every day, we watch this trend rise day by day. If you want to sell photos, of course, you will need to be able to take photos that are eye-catching and worth buying. You can get pretty good passive income just by taking pictures. Number 2. Take video. The best way to monetize by making videos is of course the YouTube platform. You can earn money by creating a channel on YouTube and publishing your videos here. But of course, not everyone who does this can make money. You will need videos that are interesting, or that can be an answer to a specific problem. If you can create a good audience on YouTube and produce useful content, you can earn very good income. You will earn money when someone watches your video while you sleep at night. This sounds good. But creating an audience on YouTube is much more difficult than it seems. This requires time, stability, patience and planned work. Number 1. Drop shipping. Dropshipping is one of the monetization arts of recent years. To put dropshipping in short, you promote the products of a manufacturer and seller by setting up another platform and orders are routed directly to the main seller. In this way, you earn money from sales by advertising without even seeing the products. Dropshipping isn't exactly a passive income idea, but you don't even need to enter your own e-commerce platform for months after all the arrangements have been made. It's usually enough just to make the right adjustments and budget for advertising. Which method is more appealing to you? Or if you have other ideas other than the methods we mentioned, please let know by commenting.